Hi, if you're a foreign trained dentist who's currently working as a dental assistant or a hygienist or shadowing in US or Canada, well, this is a video for you and I want you to watch this till the end. If you don't know who am I, my name is Adriel William. I'm a foreign trained dentist just like you. Came on F1 visa, did a master's, worked on OPT, then got to the point where I applied to 12 school, got accepted to 4, graduated from Colorado, and then after that, I worked as an associate with a corporate, then private practice. Now I own a practice. And my practice is in Cincinnati, and the name is Wellspring Dentistry. And the thing I'm going to tell you is that recently I've been praying on and I've been thinking about it that I want to make my dental practice into a center for CAAPID applicants where they can work with me as a dental assistant, as a hygienist, as a front desk, and even doctors. And I can help people assist with their visa process and guide them in the CAAPID process so they can get accepted to a dental school. And the way I want to do it is somebody works with me for 1 year, I work for free on their CAPID application and they get accepted and move forward, and there's always more people to come in the pipeline. But but when I've been talking to people, the students, I realize there is a very common mindset that is going on, and you might be one of them. So I want to talk to you as a business owner, not as a CAPID coach. I want to tell you some realities about US, about the system, so you can understand and it will help you during your process. One thing I'll tell you that most dental industries, most corporate, most private practices, if you go to them and you tell them, hey, I'm a foreign trained dentist and I want to become a dentist, can you give me a job as a dental assistant? They will say you can shadow for free, but we don't want to hire you as an employee because after 6 months you can get accepted and leave us. Plus, you're a foreigner. They might not want to get their business e-verified to give you like e-verified with USCIS. They might say, well, you did not go into a dental, like a dental school in US, and maybe you're just a foreigner and you don't know the local ways and terms and everything. And some of the times the local businesses have these issues. But even if you bypass most of them, I'll tell you most 95% of dental practice owner will hire an employee and want them to remain an employee. They would not want an employee to become a dentist just like them and sit in front of them and become a bigger doctor than they are. Most people will hire you and keep you so busy. They will pay you good money, but they will keep you so busy that you never get time to get out of the mud. Like your head will be so much under the ground and you're busy, you're always stressed out, you're tired that you won't get free time to think about CAPID and how to apply and where to get the letter of recommendation and figure out about your finances. And it's a lot of work, and I've been there. And when I was talking to some of the applicants who were interested, they told me like some doctors who they've been working with are not willing to get e-verified with USCIS. Some of the people I've talked to told me that they don't get to see big procedures because the doctor don't want them to see it. They want another assistant to do it. And the reason is because they know this immigrant is going to apply to a school and leave us. Why should we train this person? Why should we need to invest in this person? And I've been through there. When I applied for dental assisting, they did not wanted to give me a job, which was fine. I could work some other job and figure out a way to make money. But the point I'm trying to tell you is that back in the days when America had slavery, one of the things they used to do was feed slaves a lot of fatty food, so much fat that makes them slow, lethargic, and they don't get to be sharp and think clearly. Nowadays, if you go out, you will see how much soda and pop and sweet and candy is available because they want people to eat these and become fat and lazy and diseased and not be sharp in their life. But what I want you to start doing and thinking, I'll tell you my story. When I was back in the days working different jobs, I used to work at a gas station, and one of my uncle, whenever he used to meet me, he would say, "Oh, Doctor Saab, doctor, come sit here. Doctor, said to that, doctor." I was like, "Why do you keep calling me a doctor all the time?" He said, "The reason I do it because you're working odd jobs. I don't want you to start identifying your personality with the odd jobs. What I want you to remember is that you were a doctor once and you're again going to become a doctor. So you don't lose your identity. And today, when I was talking to one of the dental assistant, I was like, you are so much worried and caught up about the issues of the clinic and dental assisting and become the best dental assistant and the procedures, but you're not worried about your CAAPID process. You're not thinking that you are not here to become the world's best dental assistant. You are here to become a dentist. So stop getting so much involved in issues which are not going to give you any ROI, return of interest on long term. Focus yourself on things which are going to pay you more in longer term. And it's not her fault, because when I worked in different jobs, when I worked as an associate, the rule was the owner would want to keep me so much busy that I should not get time to think about ownership. That's just how things are. Now, I personally don't like this model. I think I would enjoy and love to work with people who I should be able to inspire them, but on the same end, they should believe that one day they will be better than Adriel. And it's a positive thing for me. If I inspire people and I would want them to be better than me, that is a good thing. And that's one of the reason I've been talking to a lot of CAAPID candidates. I'm discussing with them that I am willing to offer you a center, my clinic. I personally wanted to become a center where students, foreign trained dentists, apply for job. They need to have work authorization. They should be working legally, and I would give them job. They work with me. I work on their application, and they get accepted and become doctors. And then the next one come in. The reason I like this concept is because I personally, first of all, CAAPID community is something I love. If I was not doing clinical dentistry, I would be working with my CAAPID people, and it's just a thing I I love doing, and I'll continue to do as long as I can. And the second thing along with that is I feel being involved in people with growth mindset, people who want to do something, people who think big, people who want to become doctors, that's the environment I want to be surrounded in. I personally get like annoyed if somebody is just dreaming to be a dent, which is fine. But if somebody's stuck in a rigid mindset and don't want to grow, that's a very difficult place to work with people. I just feel like, and that's personally one of the reason I'm opening doors to my CAAPID community, that come help me set up a clinic that's going to help people in future who are just like you. First of all, it's going to help you, and then the people who are coming behind you. For me, it might mean that I might be losing some money from a production standpoint and training people, but it's fine for me, because I feel right now dentistry is so much money driven in US that everybody sees you as a checkbook. I would rather work with my own people in a way where I'm helping them in their long-term dream and they are helping me accomplish my long-term dream of setting up a center for CAPIT people. So I hope this video helps you. Even if wherever you're working as a hygienist, as a dental assistant, observing, always remember that you are not supposed to stay stuck there forever. Your job is not to come to US and become a dental assistant. Your job is to be here temporary as a dental assistant so you can become a dentist and do what you're supposed to do in life. I hope this video helps you. Do hit the like button. Do subscribe to the channel. If you're somebody who's in Ohio or looking for job in Ohio, you can reach out to me. My email is in the description, or WhatsApp. If it's a good fit, my team or I will reach out to you, talk to you more in further detail. If you just want to come and shadow, I'm more than happy for that. But keep me in your praise, because this is something I want to do it. I feel it will be something I get to relive my own life again if I get to do this, because there were a lot of people who invested in me at a time when I was going through CAPID, and this will kind of allow me to redo this in a way that helps both sides. So I wish you all the best. Take care.